Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to a brand new video. In today's legal breaking reporting, law firm Jenner & Block has asked the court to permanently block Donald Trump's executive order targeting WilmerHale and Jenner & Block. Let's get to this new reporting and break it down and explore the news, the legal reporting in today's video. This by U.S. News. The article, ladies and gentlemen, is titled, U.S. law firm Jenner asks court to permanently bar Trump executive order. And ladies and gentlemen, that article begins. U.S. law firm Jenner & Block asked a judge on Monday to permanently bar Republican U.S. President Donald Trump's executive order punishing the firm for its affiliation with a prosecutor who investigated ties between his 2016 campaign and Russia. A lawyer for the firm told Republican-appointed U.S. District Judge John Bates at a hearing in Washington that the danger of Trump's pressure campaign against law firms had only grown since Jenner was targeted in the March order. Quote, "We've seen more executive orders, and we've seen 9 prominent, powerful law firms bend to the threat of the executive order reaching unknown accommodations with the administration," unquote, lawyer Michael Edenisano said. Trump's order against Chicago-founded Jenner cited its past employment of Andrew Reisman, a top federal prosecutor in U.S. Special Counsel Robert Mueller's probe into Russian interference in the 2016 election. Trump has described the Russia investigation as a hoax and witch hunt. The executive order sought to restrict Jenner's lawyers from accessing federal buildings and officials and to end government contracts held by its clients. Jenner sued, calling the executive order a violation of the U.S. Constitution's First Amendment protections against government abridgment of speech and Fifth Amendment guarantees of due process, a requirement for the government to use a fair legal process. 3 other firms, Perkins Coie and WilmerHale and Susan Godfrey, have sued the administration to permanently block the executive orders he issued against them. Judges in all 4 lawsuits against the administration issued temporary rulings that blocked key provisions of the White House orders. 9 law firms, including Jenner rivals Paul Wise, Milbank, Simon Thatcher, and Skadden Arps, have pledged nearly $1 billion in free legal services to causes the White House supports and made other cautions to avoid being targeted by Trump. The Justice Department will also present arguments at Monday's hearing. It has also argued that Trump acted within his authority in issuing orders against firms he has accused of weaponizing the legal system against him and his allies. Jenner is one of more than 8 dozen law firms that are currently suing the administration of Donald Trump over its efforts, my editorial note, to curb transgender rights and to freeze federal spending at many agencies. Reuters, reporting by Mike Scarla in Washington, editing by David Barrio and Emilia Sithel, and Matares, editing by William McLean.